So hey guys, welcome back to another little video. Today, on my schedule for school, I have this little assignment that I have to do. It's like this little First Nations house, and I'm bringing that idea to you guys today. So normally it's built out of like sticks, twigs, leaves, all that kind of stuff. But today, just to make it more easier and like more of a craft, for the base of the body, I'm gonna be using popsicle sticks. And of course, I'm gonna keep the same kind of idea, just some leaves for the roof. Also, you guys can add like some chairs inside, some tables. Maybe you can make a whole campsite, like have like a little fire pit, a little pond, some fish, whatever you want. And today I'm gonna be using a bit different of a technique to make the video today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace!